Hey everybody, it's Mike from Here the Watchman. As you can see, it's beautiful out here. Believe me, that is not a green screen back there. I am on Long Island in New York. Amazing event that we have going on here. That's the Here the Watchman Intensive Spiritual Warfare Training Workshop. And let me tell you something, last night was absolutely amazing. I actually got to witness yesterday someone have an experience where demons were exposed, where they were just blown right out of her. And I'll tell you what, it was something to see. And you know, we're really diving into the deep stuff here that affects us all. It's Russ Dizdar and his team, Shelley Dizdar, Sherry Clausen, Coach Dave, and Thomas Dunn, the guy who made the movie Detestable, which is basically about all the work that Russ Dizdar really does. Now listen, I want you guys to avail yourself of this. Go to our website, order the DVD set today. If you get it today, you can get it at a price of $89 plus shipping. That's US only. International is a little bit extra. But listen, you need to get this. You can also get Russ's workbook to go along with it. But you want to see this DVD, you want to have it there, you want to be able to avail yourself of these teachings. And you want to do it now because the price does go up to $109 plus shipping here in about a week. So activate, get busy, get out there and do it. And you know, we've got a great lineup today coming at you. I've got interviews with Holly Baglio. She's here, amazing woman. Just was really put through the ringer as she grew up. A wonderful woman from New Zealand. Another woman by the name of Celia, who is a pathologist, who has just a brilliant testimony to share with you. And then we have later today Troy Anderson and Paul McGuire. We're going to be talking about their new book, Trumpageddon. And we're also going to be talking about the upcoming Hear the Watchman conference, which will be in California, where no one else wants to go except Hear the Watchman. So we're going to be there in California. It's called Disclosure on the Coast, Prophecy Unveiled. So we're looking forward to that one. Like I said, at that particular conference, there will be Troy Anderson, Paul McGuire, L.A. Marzulli, Derek Gilbert, Sharon Gilbert, Rabbi Zev Porat, Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat, Gon Shimura, Josh Peck. The list just goes on and on. Stephen Bankars will be there, a wonderful young man who just came out of the New Age and has written a book with Defender Publishing. And it's just off the hook, crazy great stuff. So you know, get yourself over to HearTheWatchman.com. You can register for the California conference if you choose to. Get the DVD set of these teachings. Do not miss out on that. Get them, order them. It's a pre-order. As soon as this is over with, as soon as this workshop's over with, we'll go to production on those. Should be about 4 weeks, and I'll be able to ship them to you. And just, you know, really put your arms around this one. This is not a conference. The Long Island Spiritual Warfare Training Boot Camp, as I call it, it is not a conference. It's a teaching session. Over 16 hours of intensive training are going to be contained in that set. Well, listen, that's going to wrap it up for right now. We'll see you later on today here. God bless each and every one of you. And as we always say here on the Watchman's Report, remember, there's nothing that you can't do with Jesus in your heart, except nothing at all. Get busy, activate your faith, make a difference in the world. We'll see you next time here on the Watchman's Report.